Where to eat in Abu Dhabi? Hello mga Noipi! If you're here in Abu Dhabi and you're looking for authentic Chinese food with great ambience, you must visit Dragon Bao Bao Restaurant. When you enter, parang na-transport ka na agad sa China because of the authentic Chinese vibe of the place. Ang ganda ng interior, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung tables nila na made sa wood and resin with a beach-inspired design. Plus, may colorful wall aquarium pa sila na super eye-catching. Spacious din ang restaurant, so perfect siya for family, friends, or kahit malaking group. This is their menu and honestly, very affordable ng prices. For our orders, we tried the braised beef noodles, kung pao chicken with cucumber and peanut, and syempre hindi pwedeng mawala yung barbecue skewers nila. We had beef, chicken, and shrimps, and guess what? 5 dirham lang per stick. Sulit na sulit talaga. Ito yung braised beef with sauce, hand-pulled noodles nila. Super lambot ng beef. Yung noodles naman handmade kaya chewy. And yung soup malasa, super satisfying. Next, we tried their kung pao chicken. Crispy chicken toasted in a flavorful sweet and spicy sauce na may crunchy peanuts and fresh vegetables. Super sarap paired with steamed rice. Ito naman yung Chinese barbecue skewers, mga grilled meat sticks. Medyo spicy yung original seasoning nila, and since hindi ako masyadong sanay sa maanghang, sinabi ko at willing naman nilang palitan na walang spices. Mas na-enjoy ko yung smoky and savory flavor ng barbecue skewers. So if you want to visit, you'll find Dragon Bao Bao Restaurant on Electra Street behind ADCB Bank. They are open daily from 10 a.m. to 11:30 p.m. Definitely worth checking out if you're craving authentic Chinese food in Abu Dhabi.